Hi everyone, welcome back for today's mani. I'm super excited. We are going to be dipping into some new colors from Secret Sister Dips, and this collection here that you're seeing are tonal collections, so get excited and get ready. These are the perfect vibrant solid colors that give you that perfect gradient transition in a tonal mani that you are looking for. So we are going to be playing with the pink pop collection and then the blue rock collection. There's also a purple collection called Soul, and then there's a beautiful teal collection as well called Alternative. So there is 4 new collections releasing, and then there is a really beautiful foil dip powder that is mixed with like silvers, and then it has some flowers in there, and it is called Centerfold, and it is by far the most beautiful flowered foil dip I've ever seen. I'll link a picture right here of that dip powder so you can see what I'm talking about. And this dip powder here, Centerfold, is going to complement all the colors that you see in these new collections perfectly, and it's going to give you all those spring vibes that your nails are craving after this winter season. So right now we are diving into that beautiful rock collection, and you can see here that color number 1 is going to be the lightest color, and look at that coverage with 2 dips. It is stunning. And the pigment payoff of these dip powders, spoiler alert, are amazing. They're not patchy, grainy, or anything like that. They are definitely finely milled pigmented powders, and they are completely soft, buttery, and beautiful. And look at that color payoff with 1 dip. I love it, and it's not streaky, especially with those lighter colors. You are getting that full pigment color payoff, and even with 1 dip it's super pretty, but I just really like the color payoff with 2. And if you are doing this on your natural nails or you need to build up strength, it's going to look even more vibrant with 3 dips. So definitely keep that in mind. However you do your nails with between 2 or 3 dips, options are endless when it comes to these beautiful tonal sets. So after the blue mani, we are going to dive right into that other one called Pop, and we're going to do the exact same thing. We are going to be doing colors 1 through 5, starting from lightest to darkest. So originally I was going to do a swatch with me style video, but then I was like, let's just do some press-ons and use all the colors and then just do a watch me swatch style mani, because these colors are so beautiful, and I really wanted you to see the color payoff in action in all these beautiful colors together. So we're going to mash up the rock and the pop collection together, because we could all use a little extra pop and rock in our life, right? So this collection that you're seeing here, so all 4 of them that I talked about, plus that beautiful foil dip centerfold, are releasing today, Thursday, March 16th at 8 p.m. Eastern time. So super exciting. These are such beautiful solids, and they're going to coordinate so well, and they're such great staple colors. Plus, you could always jazz these up with some fun chunky glitters, and these would look amazing matte. Now, if you're not following the Secret Sisters Facebook group, some of the other ambassadors did some really pretty manis, and some of them are matte, and these colors look amazing matte. Like, it takes these colors to a whole nother level. So definitely head over to that Facebook group. I'll link all that information in the description box below, so you could see other beautiful manis to get inspired to rock these beautiful colors on your nails. So enough chit chat. I hope you grabbed a snack, because we're going to dive into all these beautiful colors, and then I will pop back in at the end.
Can't find a time where I can tell ya what I feel now. Been biting my tongue for a while. The words just wanna come out. I'm too afraid to be rejected. It's so expected. I feel like I'm out of my mind, but I know I can't deny you. I am so alienated, sitting on planet X. I'm becoming the person I've hated. Wonder what will happen next. Yeah, nothing I can do. No. When I'm with you, I lose myself. I feel good. Oh, yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, you send me right out into space. You send me right out into space. Space, right into space. Yeah, I don't know why. It's like a charge around us that just feels right. Can't get my head around it. I can never hit the brakes. Every time you touch me, babe, into space. Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious. Idiots thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass.
Right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and how pretty are these sets? I just love these colors so much. The search for the perfect tonal collection is over. Secret Sister has you covered with your blues, your pinks, your purples, and your teals. So head over there after this video to check out all the beautiful colors and all the other manis on the Secret Sister Facebook group, because there is a lot of beautiful manis on there, and you're definitely going to get some amazing inspo, and you're going to find some manis that are going to catch your eye to have you dive into these beautiful tonal collections. All right, so I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in that description box below, including everything you need to make your own custom nail press-on sets as well. I hope you enjoyed dipping into these beautiful colors. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.